to choose your rod. Got to put this way. So all of the rods are equipped with the floats and hook. So it's convenient, you don't have to bring anything else. Just the prawn and the prawn. Okay, pwede na sini boleh? Oh yeah. Thank you. Okay. So see, here they have a very friendly shop owner, which is also hot. She's hot. Okay, so what do we have? First, you have the net. Okay, you have the net. So let's choose another place here. Okay, just gonna put this in there, and I'm gonna put all of our things here. I'll show you in a while. So firstly, you have to measure the depth of the pond, okay, of the pool, using this dipstick, which is also provided. So what you do is, you're gonna get the right amount. See, can you see this rubber band here? So it's supposed to be when the pole hits the bottom, and the rubber band should be just there, so that we're gonna have, so that's the hook, yeah. So the hook should be right at the bottom of the pole, while right there, while the rubber band should mark where the float is, which is actually good enough. So next, we will prepare the bait. Okay, so first the bait is actually swamp worm. See that? Swamp worm there. So what you do is, you're gonna cut a piece of it. Okay, cut a piece of it like so. This is the easiest part of any fishing, which is to put a bait to your hook. Right? There you go. See? Got that. What you do is, you put the hook, like so. I'm sure whether that is bent. Is it bent? It is fine. So what you do is, you hook it, you hook the bait, hook the bait up, hook it up. Okay. So just slide it up. Okay. Oops, wrong one. You put it right through the whole thing and let it just like so. Right? So now you just throw it in there. Okay. Now can you see the float there? Alright, that's the hook. So make sure that the float stands up like so, okay? Can you see the float there? Can you see that? So what happens is, the hook is actually slightly touching the bottom of this pool, while the float is right on top of the surface, and when when a prawn catches the hook with the bait, the float will go down, and that indicates that it is time for us to jack the hook. Okay, jack up the hole. I mean, have to really pull it up. So how long will it take? Depends on your luck. So while waiting, let me tell you what they give to me. Okay, firstly, you do not have to pay first. Per hour is 28, but all they give us first is the memancing udang taman raya. We started at 6:40, indicated there. So once you're done, they're just going to count out how long do you take, and then they will charge you. Of course, per hour is 28, but as you go further, like 3 hours, they will charge you lesser. There's a discount for longer period of fishing, right? Or you call it prawning. Okay, now you can see that there's nothing happening to the float, right? So what you do is you go hunting. So you just pull slowly the float everywhere around this pool, and definitely a prawn will come across its path, and it's time for it to eat. Okay. Nothing is happening yet. Be patient, because fishing or prawning is all about patience. Okay. Okay, at this moment I am alone in this pond. You see, there's nobody around here except for this crazy clown of yours. It is, by the way, raining. Not sure whether that is why all of the other fishermen or fishing enthusiasts is not here, because I think what they knew was that prawns don't eat or don't feed during a cold or rainy period, which I didn't know. But then again, they could be wrong and I could be right. So let's see. Oh, there you are. Look at that. Okay, can you see the float going down just now, just a little bit? Okay, look at that. Can you see the float going around there? See, the float is going down. So what you do is, you have to be patient. You have to let the prawn eat the bait for a while, so that when you hook it, it's time to jack now. Ready? 1, 2, go! Oh no! We lost it! We even lost the bait, so it's time to rebait. So I've replaced a new bait to the hook, and the secret is you put it back to the exact location where the float went down just now. Okay, so probably the prawn that has been tickling on the bait will still be there. Okay, it was right there just now. Alright, let's wait for it. So as you can see, waiting is the fun part of fishing. It gives you the thrill. Nothing is happening yet, just the float just moving around with the waves from the bubbles that they made out of the pipes down at the bottom. Right, when the float goes down, that's the thrill. Whether you're gonna get it or not, it's up to actually luck actually. And while waiting, we just hope that the prawn bites. Here's another chance. The float just went down. So what you do is you pull up, you straighten up your string, and you can feel the pressure, and then you jack it. No! Oh no! Is down. Oh, I didn't hook it. Okay, look at that. I think we hooked one. Ta-da! We got a teeny mini one. Just a teeny mini one. That's good enough to show you that the technique works. So now what you do when you got it, okay, look at those pinchers there. Those are the pinchers. Pinch. Oh, I broke the pinchers off. I'm sorry. So what you do is you just grab hold of. Wait. Just grab hold of the thing and take the hook out, okay? Take the hook out. Okay, there you are. Our first prawn. Probably the only prawn that I'm gonna get today because it's already almost time. So this is where they keep the special rods. The IP rods, the rods of champions. These are the retractable ones, and if you don't have a retractable ones, the whole pole, it is here. The whole pole is rods of kings, and this is what I am supposed to get actually. This is what I'm actually supposed to get, but I didn't get it. Well, to show you what I've had before, the biggest is like that. Can you see that giant one? I've had that before with the blue pincers. Okay, the bigger the pincers, the more aggressive it is. So they are breeded here, and when the time comes, they scoop up some, and then they just transfer it to the fishing pond over here. So convenient, right? This is a part of business that I would like to do, but it takes years of knowledge and skills. Oh, look at that. There's a giant one there. It is pinching the other small ones, because as you know, these prawns, they eat other prawns like baby prawns. So the ones that died in here gets eaten. Ooh, look at those pincers there. Nice, handsome pincers there. Complete a pair of them. So let's come again next time, okay? Ooh, look at that. Those are the longest pincers I've ever seen. Look. And yes, they need running water to provide oxygen so that they can survive. And back here, they have more over there. Ta-da! That's nice. Okay, it's time to go and say bye-bye from me, your friendly neighborhood clown. this one thing. Once you cut the prawn, you cut it, you can just barbecue it over here. Okay, they provide you the coals and the barbecue grill and the fire starter there, and you can just grill your prawns. It's time to go now. Next time then.